Hello everyone, I am Satyaprakash and today we will be doing the last lab of the arcade adventure, that is BigQuery. Let's open it. Now let's start the lab. Now go to task 1, just copy of this adventure application. Control paste the application code. Now see, you will use this story code. Let's copy this story code, that is BQ. Give it some time to open. Now paste this code over here and submit. You can do your wish. Let's go. I will go with data analysis. Now I will go with SQL. Now provide data analysis. And you got 100. Now assessment. Submit. Now let's copy this code. Paste it. Submit. Give it some time. Let's end our lab. And lab.